You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word in British English, how it's said in the UK and in the US. Glance is the British English pronunciation, the way it be said in Britain. Glance, American English pronunciation, how it's pronounced in the US, in the United States. Glance, glance, American English pronunciation, or glance, British English pronunciation. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.